At the end of the bootcamp, we have 2 weeks to develop an MVP. Rose and I worked on Refab, and that's the app we'd like to share with you today.
The idea of Refab started from my own personal frustrations as a fashion student in London. During my studies, a lot of money gets eaten up by the prototyping stage alone, usually in the form of having to buy new fabrics and materials every time I wanted to start a new project. So, as a result, I am often hoarding unused materials and at the same time need to buy new fabrics still for new projects.
To solve this issue, we developed Refab. Refab is the first dedicated marketplace with a mission to solve the global problem of fabric waste. We are now allowing the fashion industry towards a more sustainable future.
Alright guys, so we're on Refab app and I'm gonna sign in with my Facebook account. What's great about this app is that it allows me to browse for fabrics near me conveniently, immediately linking me up with sellers near and far. But I personally already know what I want to buy, so I'm gonna click on the little filter button and look for silk and cotton. So I'm gonna search for silk and cotton. And here it is, an array of cottons and silks. I'm pretty confident that I'm gonna go with this purple Vietnamese fabric. It's based in Hackney, which is just around the corner from where I live. It's £15 per meter for silk, which is extremely cheap. And I'm pretty keen on buying this, so I'm gonna drop Clara a message. And while I wait for her response, I'm gonna have a little browse around the app. And over here, there's a map feature. So as you can see, that these are all the fabrics that I have access to in the city. And yeah, the message symbol is green, and Clara has replied to me. Oh, sick, yeah, it's still available. So thus, I'm gonna go on the deal section and request a deal. And hopefully she'll accept it, because I really want the fabric.
Hey, I'm Clara. Recently, I just uploaded a piece of fabric on Refab. I've been chatting with this Rose. She actually sent me a request, which means she's really interested in buying my purple Vietnamese Refab. I'm just gonna double check her profile. Yeah, she seems a serious user. Then I'm just gonna go back to her request and I'm gonna accept it. I'm just gonna ask her when she's available. Yes, perfect. So yeah, I hope we can meet up later this week to sell the product. So that was Refab. We intervened at the very beginning of a fabric life cycle, preventing any of it to go to waste. During these 9 weeks at Wagon, we covered an impressive amount of topics. Not only we learned how to code an app from scratch, but we also learned the whole project management around it. And now I understand what it takes to launch an app.
What I liked the most about Wagon was their ability to condense such heavy topics and methodologies into a curriculum that was very easy for me as a beginner to follow. And on the top of that, you have these amazing teachers around to help you at every step of the way. And I feel extremely comfortable asking them about any uncertainties that I may have, and I really would not be where I am if it wasn't for them.